Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change or set your country region on Pinterest. Right now I'm on my Pinterest profile. How you can get here is at the bottom of the screen. You can see there are about 5 icons. You'll have to click on the bottom right icon on the right corner that says saved, and that will bring you to your profile. Once we're here, we're going to have to click on the top right corner icon with the 3 dots. And then this will pop up, settings and copy profile link. We're gonna need to click on settings, and that will bring us here to our settings. There are a lot of options, but we need to click on personal information. That's right under public profile. And then you have age, gender, country, region, and language. Okay, let's click on country/region. And here you can pick which country you're from. Let's just scroll and find we're gonna click on Greece, and it says country/region updated, and when you go back you can see that now my country/region is Greece. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.